I was like close to 108 kg. I was told I'm having a pre-diabetes, and second is fatty liver, which is a grade 2. Apart from that, I used to have a cervical spondylitis, kind of a neck pain, and also a hand pain. I got into some kind of a weight loss at like 5 kg, but it's like I was gaining it again.
Guys who are watching on this video, so this is Jai Kumar. My name is Ravitej. I'm a certified fitness trainer. He is one of our community members of Body Shred Hub. He's been in the community of Body Shred Hub for 7 months. Let's see his journey, and in this journey what we will see is what are the struggles he overcame and what was kind of apprehension which he had initially and what results he got, which you would be interested in. So share a little bit about yourself, where you're from, what you do.
I'm basically from Tuticorin. I did my education in Tamil Nadu. Then I got into a job, so it's mostly a sitting job. So I don't get up, I don't do anything. So I became obese. I was like close to 108 kg.
108.
And then I just got into a corporate health checkup. So I was told I'm having a pre-diabetes, and second is fatty liver, which is a grade 2.
Grade 2.
Apart from that, I used to have a cervical spondylitis, kind of a neck pain, and also a hand pain. I tried doing something like doing walking, getting into this. Only thing is like I couldn't be consistent and I couldn't sustain also. Like got into some kind of a weight loss, like 5 kg, but it's like I was gaining it again. After getting into our community, now I could reduce it to 93, which is 15-16 kg, which is mind-blowing for me and also my family members. So that is a big thing. And the recent thing is like I got into the checkup. Diabetes now, it's completely normal. Second is the fatty liver also. It is further weight reduction, it would be normal. And there is no neck pain, spondylitis. So this is the change that has happened in the health.
Now, one question which you said at the beginning is you were not consistent.
Right.
What did you do for that?
First thing is surrendering to whatever the systems what you have. When I did on my own, I couldn't do it every day. Consistency was not there. Sometimes I do it, sometimes I don't do it. Even the intensity used to come down. If it's like 1 hour, sometimes I do it only for 10 minutes. But when I got into a community, the accountability tracker, what we have, workout, the diet, hydration, sleep, we started documenting. When you have systems like it, checkbox, doing it, I felt like, oh, okay, I'm doing a good job.
Right.
So I did for 10 days and a month, and then I felt I'm doing a very good job. It started motivating me. And second thing is like it's a big community, many people are seeing it. I felt like I need to be consistent. So it's not just for the improvement of me, it's also like kind of accountability to others also. Apart from that, the other thing is like taking video of myself doing the workout, posting it in YouTube. When I have some followers seeing it, I felt like I am accountable to a bigger community. I got to be consistent. So that is what has helped me in this 15 kg reduction. Otherwise it wouldn't been possible at all.
Absolutely. As all human beings, we have this inherent property. If you are doing something alone, it doesn't matter, right? If you do it or not. But if you do it with 10 other people, what would happen? You are also seeing that other 9 people are looking at you, and other 9 people, you want to be better. You want the top 3, and that's what is accountability and a group will do for you. I'll highly recommend that you become part of a group. If not Body Shred Hub, some kind of group. Build a group across and do it. Now the next question what I have for you, Jai, is so you said lot other areas in your life got changed. So would you name 2-3 areas in your life which got changed?
Number 1 is my career. In my office, now everybody started me as a kind of an action taker. So initially like he was obese, he didn't do anything. But now seeing this transformation, they felt like he's the one who can do lot of great things. And second thing is like when you make a change, like when you are able to manage self, you can manage others. So this gave a confidence to my management, also the innovator award. Second is I'm asked to lead the entire function now. And this all is because now they started seeing the transformation what I have done for myself. So they are very confident that I can do the similar for my function also. This is from the career part. Coming to the family part, it is the connect that has improved. One day saw my transformation, so the kids are like inspiring for them. So they also started doing exercise with me. Wife started walking with me. Second is also the nutrition part. They're seeing me not having sugar, the junk, other thing, they also started doing it. So overall, it's like towards a healthy living. So I'm very confident that my future, my kids are going to be healthy because of whatever changes happened. Third is like the community also. People started seeing me, this transformation. They are connecting with me. They are asking me how you did. They are also looking for a change. So it's like getting it to the next level.
Yeah. So inspiring, isn't it true? This 15 kgs weight loss is not just weight loss. It's a total transformation in your mind, in your body, and it is changing lot many things in your finances, absolutely, in your career, in your relationship, all of that. So I'm very sure you got inspired by this real life hero, and I want you to take action. And the outcome which I want you to get from here is, first of all, get inspired. Second, get attitude of taking action. End of the day, you should transform yourself, get results. I would not be interested in just you investing a 10 minutes on a video doing nothing. At the end of the 10 minutes, you should feel that blood is little boiled and you take some action. Yeah, that's the thing. So if you're really serious about this, I would highly recommend you go into the link below, register for my next masterclass or join our community. You can register for the masterclass at coachravitej.com/live, where it's a live masterclass, or you can go join our community by coachravitej.com/join. So I would really see yourself here in the next coming months and take your interview. Until then, bye-bye. Take care.